Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play F123 for beginners. First, adjust your difficulty settings to casual or rookie for an easier start, focusing on driving assists like traction control and ABS. Next, spend some time in the game's tutorial or practice modes to get a feel for the controls. Understanding how to steer, accelerate, and brake effectively is crucial. Finally, try the time trial mode to learn each track's layout and ideal racing lines, without the pressure of a full race. Mastering the track involves precise control. When approaching a corner, brake early and smoothly, gradually releasing the brake as you turn in. This technique, known as trail braking, helps maintain control. Aim for the apex, the innermost point of the corner, to set yourself up for a strong exit. As you exit, apply the throttle progressively. Sudden inputs can cause you to lose traction, especially if you're not using full traction control. Practice makes perfect for these techniques. Hey everyone, if you're finding these F123 tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. On another note, just like a good racing setup keeps you comfortable, your socks should too. Life's too short for cheap socks. I highly recommend Darn Tough socks. They offer incredible comfort and even come with a lifetime warranty. You can find links to Darn Tough socks and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. For car setup, begin with the default settings and make small incremental changes. Adjusting your front and rear wing angles can significantly impact grip and straight line speed. During a race, pay close attention to your tire wear. Understanding when to pit is a key strategic element. Also, learn to effectively use DRS, or drag reduction system, on designated straight sections for extra speed. ERS, or energy recovery system, can provide a power boost for overtaking or defending your position.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.